So multiple objects I want to store with an index position, that is called as an array. So what is the main advantage of array means? We have to store multiple values with a single variable, just like a collection object into our Python. The main advantage of arrays concept is we can represent multiple values by using a single variable. Single variable we can use. So that the code will be reduced and readability will be improved. That is the concept of array. Suppose there is no arrays in the JavaScript. Assume if there is no arrays, I want to store multiple values. I want to store multiple values. How to store? Where n1 equal to 10, variable n2 equal to 20. Next, where n3 equal to 30. Like that I can store. That is the multiple variables, multiple values you can store. Whereas in case of array, how to store with an array in our JavaScript, where any value you can take as a some variables with square brackets, 10, 20, 30, 40. It should be an array. So generally Python, it is a list. Here it is called as array. In list, how indexing is there? Same, every element contain indexing positions. Here slice operator is not there. Slice function is there. Function. I will show that one also. So now open your Atom. Yes. So now I have to declare the values of array. Now accessing array elements by using index. So how we need to go to the list indexing is there? Same here also. Index should be started with 0 index. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that. We need to access the values. By using index, we can access array elements. JavaScript arrays follows 0 based index. 0 based index it should be followed. That is the index of first element is 0. For example, I have to take a variable friends equal to, I'm given 1, 2, 3, something provided there. Sunny, Bunny, Winnie, Penny. Now, how to access it? Console.log. Sir, what is the variable? Friends. Friends of 0 I am given. Now, come to here. D. Yes. Open console. Console is not undefined. Yakada. console. ఇంకా మిస్టేక్స్ ఉన్నాయి. FRAENDS F సరిపోయింది ఇప్పుడు. ఇంకోండి came. Sir, now if I am given as a if I am given 3, now the output should be the last value. Sir, if I am given as a 10 now, JavaScript does not give error, we will get undefined. If we are trying to access array elements by using out of range index, then we will get undefined value. We won't get error. That is the way, sir. Sir, in dictionary we are updating values. Same here. How to update values of a dictionary array? Updating array elements. How to? By using indexing. Here, Sunny, Bunny, Winnie, something is available there. Friends of 1 equal to, I'm given as a Mahesh. I'm printing friends. What will happen now? Bunny will be replaced with Mahesh. That is how to update our array. First position Bunny. Bunny will be gone and Mahesh will be replaced. How to add new element to the array by using index? How can we add? For example, here values are available there. I want to 0, 1, 2, 3. I want to give 4th position Mahesh. Then what will happen? It is added new record to the Mahesh. Sunny, Bunny, Winnie, Pinny. Previously I am updated. Now I am adding. For example, I am given 40. Chinni. Then what will happen, sir? I am assigning value. I am not accessing. Accessing aithe undefined. Here I am not accessing. I am assigning. If you are accessing, then undefined. Where it will add? Where? Pinni tarvata. Ante it should be added last of element. Check it now. How it is added? After 35 position. In dictionary, how many values are there total? 41. Endukani? Middle that 35 will be with spaces. 40 first index is Chinni. That's one here. What I'm telling you, 35 are there. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Chinni index enta 40. Total length of the dictionary enta array 41. That is the meaning. General ga in our Python aithe it should be last element. After pinning added, total elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. But here how many are there? 41 elements are there. How to create an empty array? Empty array. The first way is where numbers equal to empty array. Second way, where numbers equal to new array. This is the two ways are there. Empty open close square brackets array, and you have to give new array function. Array is a one class. New means object creation in the Java. Array class object we are created. Then empty. Now, just now here I am getting the size of the dictionary 41. How I am getting? By using length. To find length of array by using length variable. For example, here dictionary is there. Console.log friends dot length. How many are there? 4 values are there. ఏంటి మీది అవదా ఈ రోజుకి? That is the way length is the variable. Sir, now if you want to take the Java arrays, if you take Python, list object can be accepted heterogeneous object or homogeneous. In Python, list is accepted heterogeneous or homogeneous? అంటే list is accepted heterogeneous objects means list can accept different varieties of data or not? One integer, one float, one string accepted. That is the meaning of heterogeneous. Java arrays are accepted only homogeneous. Ante int of I means it should accepted only integers. String of S means only string. But what about JavaScript? Is JavaScript allows only homogeneous or heterogeneous? Is JavaScript array can hold only homogeneous elements or not? JavaScript array can hold which values? Heterogeneous objects. Python heterogeneous, but Java accepted only homogeneous objects only. Yes, Nirankar, array is the collection of similar kind of elements. That is the Java definition, Nirankar. In Java, whatever you're telling, I accepted. It is accepted similar data type values only homogeneous. But JavaScript, no. If I have any doubt, check it. Suppose I want to declare where random collection. One not one, I am given Sunny, and I am given as a 10.5, and I am given as a null. Console.log of random collection. No. Is it accepted? Different varieties of data, but Java does not accepted. JavaScript is accepted heterogeneous object. This is the proof. General, everyone having doubt. Arrays are accepted only similar data types only. But JavaScript accepted heterogeneous objects also. Next, whatever methods related to JavaScript arrays. Important methods related to JavaScript arrays concept. 6 or 7 are there. First one, push method. In Python, somewhere else it is there. Where? Python lo unda? లేదా? నేను అడుగుతుంది డిజంగోలో కాదు. ఐఎమ్ ఆస్కింగ్ అబౌట్ పైథాన్. ఇన్ మల్టీ థ్రెడ్డింగ్, ఇంటర్ థ్రెడ్ కమ్యూనికేషన్, ఇన్ మల్టీ థ్రెడ్డింగ్ is there. In multi threading, synchronization is there. How to provide synchronization? Synchronization, how to provide multiple thread synchronization. Don't know how to provide synchronization in multi-threading. Lock, R-lock, R-lock, semaphore, bounded semaphore. 4 concepts are there in synchronization. After that, multiple threads, how to communicate. Inter-thread communication. 3 ways are there. Event, condition, queue. In the queue, we are using all these methods. I think ఏం చేయలేం అప్పుడు మొదలెట్టి. So actually multi-threading big topic. In multi-threading, first whatever threads are there, how to get multiple threads, what is a daemon thread. Entry lo definitely they will ask what is a daemon thread. మరి ఎంట్రీ అలా ఫేస్ చేస్తారే అవన్నీ తెలియకుండా. Daemon threads. What is a daemon thread? How it is working? What is the synchronization? What is the purpose? Lock ki R-lock ki difference enti? Definitely asked question. These are all difference between lock and R-lock. Difference between semaphore and bounded semaphore. We can provide that 2 threads are there. How those 2 are communicate? Simple example. Our traffic signals are there. How traffic signal is changing? First red, next to yellow come, immediately green. Before going to red, yellow, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, next red. That program I will write. How threads are, akkada 3 threads I am creating. One is red, yellow, green. How these 3 are communicating? 3 ways are there. Event ani, condition ani, queue ani. What do differences are there? What is the difference? What is the latest mechanism? Queue is the latest mechanism. In queue lo 3 types are there. LIFO queue, FIFO queue, priority queue. 3 queues are there. మరి ఇవన్నీ మల్టీ థ్రెడింగ్ లోనే కదా కాన్సెప్ట్స్ అన్ని. సరే, ఫస్ట్ వన్ పుష్ వన్ సార్, సెకండ్ వన్ పాప్ సార్, థర్డ్ వన్ అన్షిఫ్ట్ అనుకుంటా. అన్షిఫ్టేనా చూద్దాం, కాకపోతే అప్పుడు మారుద్దాం. అన్షిఫ్ట్, షిఫ్ట్, ఫిఫ్త్ వన్ ఇండెక్స్ ఆఫ్, సిక్స్త్ వన్ స్లైస్. అందరూ అడుగుతున్నారు స్లైస్. They're all the 6 functions are available there. Push you pop means you know already. Push means we have to add element to array. Pop means remove. Same like that in list concept, append and pop. In list append we are using Python. Where the element will be added? Last of the list. Pop, remove last element, last in first out rule. Same here also, same concept. Push method. We can use push method to add elements to the end of array after adding element. This method returns length of the array. That is the specialty of the push method. Normal gate, if I'm using append, data will be appended. It does not give length of values, but it will return how many values are there, it will be returned. That is the push meaning. For example, check it. Where I have to take numbers equal to 10, 20, 30, 40 available there. Console dot log. Inside you have to go with numbers dot, what is the method? Push of 50. Now I want to console dot log of what I want to print? Numbers. Check it. Push method doing two actions. One is adding element, second one is return the length. First 5 game. Values. That is the push function. Sir, after this class, some guys are going to the lab kada evening work. Sir, who are in the lab? Okay. Evening 4 o'clock, Python batch is going on there. Advanced Python. In that object oriented, I am explaining. 2 parts completed. Yesterday, one important topic explained, MRO, method resolution order, C3 algorithm. Okay. If possible, you can attend 4 o'clock. Part 3, I'm telling. In that, I'm explaining polymorphism. What is the duck typing philosophy of Python? Overloading, overriding, operator overloading, these topics, 4 to 5:30. Once object-oriented completed, do you know what is interface? Not user interface, normal interface in Python. What is abstract method? Abstract class, concrete class. How to declare variables, public, private, protected, access modifiers in Python. Java lo public, private, protected are there. But Python lo levu. How can I declare that variables? That is coming into the object-oriented part 4. So totally object-oriented. In my content, 1 minute, Nirankar, wait. Not this one here. I'm telling evening batch, evening 4 o'clock batch, I'm telling. Mentors. No, evening 4 o'clock, no problem. No one is, if ID card is there, Dijong ID card is there, you can come, I will inform those guys. Okay. In that multi-threading, I will tell after object-oriented, I'm explaining multi-threading only. Then synchronization, inter-thread, all will come in that. First, you have to check these contents are, then you are okay, all this fine. Object-oriented part 1 law. So you know already what is a class, okay? How to define class, what is object, what is reference variable, what is self, constructor. Interview question, this is the main question. Differences between constructor and method. What is the difference? తర్వాత how many types of variables are there? Instance, static, local. Okay, where we can declare instance variables. How to access? What is static variable? Difference between static and instance. Types of methods: instance method, class method, static method. What is the setter method and getter method in Python? Telidu, hands up. How to pass members of one class to another class without inheritance? ఒక class లో members ని I want to access another class without inheritance. How can I accessing? What is inner classes? What is garbage collection? What is destructure? Difference between garbage collection and destructor. How many number of? Okay. Part 2. Yesterday completed. Inheritance. What is as a relation? Is a relation. Composition, aggregation. Types of inheritance: 6. Single, multiple, hybrid, hierarchical, cyclic. What is MRO? What is head and tail terminology? Merge function, C3, super method, those things. Third part today I will start. Polymorphism, duck typing philosophy, overloading, overriding. Part 4, abstract method, abstract class, interface. What is difference between these three? What is public, private, protected members? What is STR method? Is the interview question. What is the difference between STR and REPR? Finally, I explain a small banking application. Java. మరి ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఇక చెప్పింది నేను. This whatever content I am showing, each and everything I am explaining in the classroom. First day one, I will give this content to my students. They are verifying each and everything I am explaining or not. Because once you see this detailed content, then you will get some idea. Okay, which topic we know, which topic we don't have idea. You want exception handling. What is syntax error, runtime error? What is exception? How to handle exception? Try except. Okay. Exception information. Try with multiple except blocks. Single except multiple. Default. Finally, control flow examples. Final types of exception. Predefined and user defined. How to handle that one? File handling law. What is a file? Text files, binary files, CSV files. Entry question, this is, what is the difference between tell and seek methods? Tell and seek. File handling, yeah. These are all related to file handling concept. What is the difference between tell and seek? Entry question, CSV files, zipping and unzipping. Next, is the important entry question. Pickling and unpickling. Next is multi-threading. Just now I'm telling now, what is multitasking? Process-based, thread-based. Multi. Is going to setting, getting names, functions, enumerate, alive, join, daemon, threads. Just now I'm telling now synchronization. Lock, R lock, semaphore. Synchronization by using locking. Simple lock, R lock. Important this one. Semaphore and bounded semaphore. How to thread communication? Set to clear is set. Ante first one idi event. Second one condition. Third one queue. ఇదిగోండి ఈ 3 ways are there. దీనిలో LIFO, FIFO, priority queue. ఇది మల్టీ థ్రెడ్డింగ్. నెక్స్ట్ పైథాన్ డేటాబేస్ కనెక్టివిటీస్. Oracle, MySQL I will explain. Regular expressions, decorators, generator, assertion, logging. Advanced Python is over. అది కంటెంట్. అవి సపరేట్. అవి ఒక 2 months పడుతుంది. NumPy Pandas తెలుసా? 2 months, 2.5 months పడుతుంది. NumPy Pandas Matplotlib. ఇది దీనికే 2.5 months పైన పడుతుంది. మళ్ళీ ఇవి అలాంగ్ విత్ దిస్ జస్ట్ నో ఐమ్ టెల్లింగ్ Python 3.8 వాట్స్ న్యూ ఫీచర్స్ కేమ్. అసలు స్టోరీ అక్కడ ఉంది మెయిన్. ఇఫ్ యు గో అండ్ ఇంటర్వ్యూ, ఇఫ్ ఎనీబడి ఆస్కింగ్ 3.8 న్యూ ఫీచర్స్, హియర్ నో వన్ కెన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ఆల్ దోస్ థింగ్స్. Because interview they will ask always new things only, not old things. Latest, present, what is available there, they will ask. మరి అది ఒక 10 days it will take time again. ఇవన్నీ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత NumPy Pandas దోస్. ఈవినింగ్ బ్యాచ్ I will tell NumPy Pandas everything. Present I am in part 3 andi adi. If anybody having free time, attend evening 4 o'clock. Sir, now come to our story. What is the first method? Push method. మనకేం 4 o'clock నిద్ర వస్తుంది, క్లాస్కి రాలేము, ఎండ ఉంటుంది, అడగటమే గట్టిగా. 1 minute please. Sir, now check it. First method is what it is? Push method, sir. Second one, pop method, sir. Sir, that's why I'm given that course content in our Django. Check the course content detailed. Which topic you have doubt are there, material already shared. Read that one compulsory, because whenever you can go to interview, minimum terminologies you will get it. Actually, whenever they are asking, if you are in blank face means nothing, na. So first to see the content, you will get thoda knowledge. Then whenever it are asking questions, okay, this question is there in that one, we will study. Otherwise, one more, all these are new questions like that, your face is blank. Whenever go to interview, compulsory go through my course content detailed index. Django also, don't go for complete material. First to check the detailed index, topic wise. It's okay, how much we have knowledge, then we will get it automatically. What code better? Buying అది ఇప్పుడు suppose tomorrow ఇంటర్కి వెళ్ళావు, if they are asking these type of questions, then what to do? అందుకే ముందుగానే చెప్తున్నా, once you can practice, then you will get idea. Okay, already Mahesh are informed, so we have to practice, then we need to go to interview. That is the best thing kada. Sir, what is the second one? Pop method. Pop method means it will remove and return the element. For example, this one. What is the method? Pop. Yes. Which 10, 20, 30, 40. Now it will be returned last element 40. Always last element will be removed, sir. That is the meaning of pop. These two already we know. To remove and return the last element of the array. That is the second. Third one, new thing for you. What it is? Unshift. What is the meaning of unshift? Ninjas unshift. Code better. Sir, I will execute, see the output, then you can tell. For example, 10, 20, 30, 40 are there. What is the function, sir? Unshift kada. Unshift. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 I am given. I am printing. It is the counterpart for the push method. Push అయితే ఏం చేస్తుంది? Added to last. Unshift added to first. Counterpart for push method, unshift method. Unshift. Unshift method to add elements in the first position. It is counterpart of push method, because push will be added to the last. Unshift will be added to the first. Another method, shift. What it will do? And what happened? First element removed or not? Pop key, counter method, shift. Shift method to remove and return first element of the array. That is the shift method. Sir, lifetime we have to learn course only one time. But that course is along with our lifetime it is. Okay, if it is taking more time also, you can learn course in detail compulsory. But the problem is not the student. Who is the problem? Adi. ఇంకేమున్నాయి? Index of. Index of means index value. For example, check it. Index of 20. Index of 20. So 20 index enta 1 printed. Suppose 20 is available multiple times. Not it will display. Only the first occurrence will be displayed. Okay. Suppose if the specified element is not available, I am given 100. 100 is there, not there. What is the output? I am asking index of 100. Specified element is not available. 100 లేదు కదా arrayలో. Undefined. Do you know in Python there is function is there find function? How find function is working? Find function. Find, R find, index, R index is there. If the specified element is not available, you will get what you are getting -1. Same in our Python find function is there. If the element is available, it will return that index not available -1. Ikkada same process. If the element is available, that first occurrence. In Python, how find function is there, same here also index of. If available, first occurrence. Not available, -1, not undefined. To find index of specified element. If the element present multiple times, then it will return index of first occurrence. If the specified element not available, we will get -1. Last one is already slice function. How slice operates in Python? Same here also. We can use size operator to get part of the array as a slice. You have to mention slice begin comma end index. Then it will returns the array of elements from begin to end -1 index, not until end. If I'm given only size, then it returns the total array. This can be cloned copy. What is the meaning of cloning? Cloning means, I'm asking what is the meaning of cloning. I'm not asking types. What is the meaning of cloning? Same content with the duplicate independent copy, nothing but a cloning. So for example, here go to Atom, numbers 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, something available. What is the function? Slice. 1, 5 I am given. 1, 5 means 1 to 4. 4. If I am using slice, అదేంటంటే అన్నిసార్లు రిపీట్ అవుద్ది. ఫస్ట్ టేక్ ద స్లైస్ ఆపరేటర్ stored into, otherwise multiple times repeating. Console.log number 1. I'm not given anything, just a slice stored into number 2, printed number 2. వచ్చిందా? That is the slice operator. Slice function. Oh, అవి 6 functions, sir. What is the purpose of push? To add elemented end of the array. Pop. Pop means it is remove and return last element. తర్వాత unshift, to add element at beginning. Beginning of the array. Shift. What it will do? To remove and return the first element. Next, index of, to return index of first occurrence of the given element, last slice. To get part of the array from begin to end minus 1 index. Adi story. What code better? Huh? మీరు ఇంకా చాలా ఉంది నేర్చుకోవాల్సింది పైథాన్లో. The next multi-dimensional arrays, or we can call nested arrays. So already you know NumPy is in that available na same here also. In Python, nested list is there, a list inside list. Same concept only. Sometimes one array can contain multiple arrays as elements. That is, array inside array is possible. Such a type of arrays considered multi-dimensional arrays or nested arrays. And array means how to declare an array square brackets. For example, whereof if I give this one 10, 20, 30, is it an array or not? Array only, but it is a single dimensional array. Now, same thing I want to provide second one, 40, 50, 60. Next, comma, I can provide 70, 80, 90. Take total one into one array. Now, if I want to console.log numbers of 0, what I'm getting? 10, 20, 30. Now I'm getting it fine. If I want to do 30, you will get it. What you are getting 30, because 0 means first position. Instead I am asking 2, 0, 1, 2. So like that, suggested nested list concept is there na in Python. Same here also. Kapte ikkada arrays annav, akkada list annav. Ade difference in Python. ఇదిగోండి. Sir, based on these arrays, whatever we are discussing, I will let a simple, a small application book management application. Ante just like in Django already we know. Books example what I'm telling you. Add book, price, first book, second book, third book. If you want to add, you can add. If you want display, display the list. If you want to exit, you can exit. So I have to give end user 3 options. Sir, how to give the end user options? First, where books equal to, what is the meaning? Empty array, not list, empty array. Okay. I want to give options to means prompt, just like input prompt. What I'm asking is which operation you want to which operation you want to perform. I have 3 options I can give: add or list. List means display or exit. 3 options I'm given to the customer, stored into a variable input. Now what to do? If list means display, add means I want to add books to the books array, exit means I want to exit from the application. List means I want to display. Add means I want to add books. How to add books? Just no comments I'm telling you, 6 methods are there. Empty array, push command. We have to add the data. Okay. Observe carefully first. I am taken while. And this loop will be continue when until input not equal to exit. What is the meaning? For example, which operation you want to perform? Exit. It will be exited. If not equal to exit, this total will be running, not running. Yes, running. Now, I have 2 options are there. First option, if yes, input equal to add. Now what to do? Enter name of the book. How to ask? Prompt, enter name of the book. Okay, I added. Stored into variable. What it is? New book. Customer entered a book. Now what to do? Books dot, yes. What is the command? Push. What I want to push? New book. Sir, this loop will be running how many times? Until exit. Keep on, it is asking only. Okay, satisfied. Next. Else if input equal to yes. Suppose user is asking to list out the books. How to print? Console.log the list of available books. How to? Where is available your books? Can I print that array or not? Array, you can print it. It will be printed. First, if the option add aite, added. No list aite, empty list. If books are available, it will be printed books. Okay, well, these 2 are no. Else what to do? Console.log invalid option, not exit. Because starting I'm telling, if it is not exit, then you can execute it. Otherwise, remove that one. Next. come to here. This one completed this one. Yes. If he is given invalid option, again you can ask input. Then it is going to while loop. What is your asking? Based on it is running. Once completed, final message. Console.log. Thanks for using our application. Now check it carefully. Refresh. Enter your option. ABC. Is it valid? Sorry, boss. 1 minute. ఇంకోటి ఏమన్నాడు invalid option. Okay. What to do? List. Any books are there? No. Adigo. The list of available books ఏంటిది? Empty array because nothing. What to do? Add. I want to add Python. Enter option because every time it is asking add Django. Add. Adding or not adding? Add. Added. Which option? List. The list of available books, Python, Django, Selenium. Now if you want to add. Ask list. When it will come outside? Whenever you're clicking on exit. That's why starting a even while input not equal to exit, keep on it is asking only. Once you can type exit. Thanks for using application. This is the way to write a mini application by using erase and push method. Simple. JavaScript is very simple language. Every language simple only. You can take any language. JavaScript you can take, Python you can take anything. Step by step we can analyze enough. Sir, after JavaScript, can we go jQuery? Required? Not required. Not required. Sir, attend any interview. Then you will get clarity. Is it required or not required? HTML and UI technologies are mainly 5 are there. After everyone telling HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Inka Bootstrap, jQuery, DOM, 6 are there. 6 undal HTML. Kakapate who are only for UI designers, all the 6 are mandatory. But as a Django developer, Django functionality wise, this is JavaScript, REST, these 3 strong knowledge required. HTML, CSS, thoda basics enough. Because we are not UI designers. Company UI designers will be there. We can maintain functionalities. Front-end functionality means JavaScript. Backend, Python. Framework, Django. Next, REST API. What is the purpose? REST API purpose. That is the main concept. Ivi enough for you as a Python web developer. Node. Starting I'm telling at the time of Nikuleshwar, JavaScript. Marin stack, mean stack, Node.js, Node is there now. That's a different technology. And code better. And serious gala is na. Sir, now I will stop it. Here how to retrieve elements of array? And there is one array is there. 5 or 6 or 7 or 10 elements are there. I want to read values from array. How to read? Slice. Normal gate, how to read? Suppose L is 10, 20, 30, 40 list is there. I want to display elements. Can I use for loop? For I in L, print I, printed. Or else, while loop I can use. While I equal to 0, I less than length of L, print I, printed. Same here also, I am telling same concept. How to retrieving elements of array? The first way is, everybody knows about that. What it is? While loop. Already we completed. Second one, idi kuda you know. The third way in JavaScript is, what it is? For of loop. Fourth one, for each method. 4 ways are there. While loop for we know already, sir. The new things, these two, for of loop, for each method. How we need to use? For each. Not tomorrow I will tell. If I'm telling today, your mind will gone. ఇప్పటికే సగం పోయింది. Already gone. So now I prepared that one Django.
Recording stopped.
ఏంటిది వచ్చింది? So now already I shared the Django content and text file. Today I will share this one material PDF. I converted to that one PDF. Here this total I will share this one. Same in the text document of it is there. That one converted to the PDF document. This one I am preparing. Once it is completed, I will give this JavaScript also. Already HTML, CSS I forwarded. JavaScript, REST API related entry questions, all I will provide for you. Online guys, bye everyone. Tomorrow we will continue.